Traffic rules test at an intersection. Who gives way to whom? Task. Which driver will pass through the intersection first in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The truck driver. 2. The driver of the yellow car. Task analysis. At the intersection, the truck driver is turning left and the car driver is going straight. The intersection has traffic lights and is regulated, so we don't need to worry about the give way and main road signs. Let's check out the traffic rules. Traffic light signals, except for flashing yellow, have priority over road priority signs. Both drivers are allowed to proceed. The truck driver has a green signal in the main section of the traffic light, and the driver of the yellow car has a green arrow in the additional section of the traffic light when a main light is red. Let's read the traffic rule. When driving in the direction of the arrow included in the additional section simultaneously with a yellow or red traffic light signal, the driver must give way to vehicles moving from other directions. Thus, the truck driver will pass first. The correct answer is number 1. The truck driver will pass through the intersection first.